Friend, can a fan regulator control the voltage of a 2000 watt heater? The answer is no. Today in this video, I will show you how to control the voltage a 2000 watt heater with a fan regulator, and you control the voltage and speed of any high watt AC device with this regulator. Let's watch the full video how I made the regulator. Maybe you can make a similar device at home. Let's get started. Friends, first we need to know why this regulator cannot withstand high wattage load. For this, I removed the nut and cover and took out the circuit. You can see two regulator circuit. I connected these two regulators to my heater and both the regulators went bad. The main reason for the failure is the triac inside it. I searched on Google and found that triac usually have a maximum RMS current of 4 amperes. When I connect the regulator to a minimum of 1000 watt heater, they go bad because when I multiply 240 by 4, the result is 960 watt. The watt are going down. So I will change the triac here and using a high ampere triac. Friends, I will use BTA 41600B triac here. Let's learn about triac. The main function of a triac is to switching AC voltage. The RMS current is 40 amperes, which means that this triac can be withstand a load up to 40 amperes. This is a DIAC. DIAC is a 3-level 2-terminal bidirectional semiconductor switch. It works without any gate terminals. It is turned on when it is breakover voltage is crossed in both directions. It is mainly used to trigger triac in AC power control circuit. The minimum breakover voltage of the DIAC I am using 28. Now we will make the circuit according to the diagram. Let's make the circuit. You can see that I have finally made the circuit. In the same way, I made a small space on the PCB to set this circuit in the regulator. I put the cover and nut on the circuit, returning it to its regulator form. I noticed one thing. I used two potentiometers here, a 6-pin and a 3-pin. The 6-pin is working very well. When I turn the potentiometer, the voltage goes up and down very smoothly. I think it will be better to use a 6-pin potentiometer. If you have a load of more than 2000 watts, it is very important to install a heatsink here. Otherwise, the triac may get hot and go bad. I will end it here like today. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe.